Always on the lookout for differing brands on MTD CNC Global. And here's one, SENFENG. Is that how you pronounce the brand, Lewis? SENFEng?
Yes, we are SENFENG leader from China.
Okay, so all these machines are made in China, are they?
Yes.
Okay, tell us about this one here. This is a 1.5 kilowatt fiber laser cutting machine, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, just elaborate maybe on some of the features and benefits on this machine. How good is it?
The benefit is from this machine is when it cuts metals, it can cut perfect and with the very low cost.
Right, so it's a very energy efficient machine. Is that your key selling point?
Yes.
Okay, now you also, I noticed from some of your, from over there, it says 36 kilowatts. You go up to that power, do you, of laser cutter?
It is the max power now for the fiber. It can use it for the very big thickness metal cutting.
Yeah, what sort of width or what sort of depth of material could you cut with a 36 kilowatt? How wide?
The biggest thickness of the metal it can cut is more than 100 millimeter.
Really? That much?
Yes.
Wow, quite a fast machine as well, quite nimble. How fast does the axes move on here?
It moves by the servo motor, and faster and with a very high precision.
All right, and how many of these machines are you selling around the world? How many?
Last year, during the year 2018, I think more than 1,000 sets all over the world.
Really? Yeah. What's your biggest market? What country?
More than 100 countries we sold the machines there. I think the biggest maybe USA, Germany, or UAE here.
Okay, now let's have a look down here because this is where. Can your colleague change the Can you change the table? So here, this is quite intriguing to me. This means you keep the machine cutting, don't you? Because we can be loading this side while the other one's cutting.
Yes, the two tables is used for the more work. When this table working, we can load and upload the metals here, and when it's finished, we will exchange. It is good at keeping cutting and save time, save cost.
Yeah, I can see that. I can see the advantage. So now we could essentially be loading our next sheet on here, couldn't we, while the other one's cutting?
Yes. When it's cutting, we can up and load, and it will be save time and more safe here.
So tell me, all of these machines are made in China. This is just one here. Do you do many bigger machines than this or smaller machines, or is it just this size?
Yes, we have many type of machines, but we only take one here. Bigger or smaller machines, we all manufacture it because we are a manufacturer of the machines from the year 2004.
Right. And how many machines do you think you've got installed around the world? How many have you sold in all time?
Wow, I think it's too many because we have been the manufacturer for over 15 years now. Many. Every year, many.
Wow, so yeah, I'd not heard of them. SENFEng. Check them out. I'm sure they must have a website as well. Machines built in China. Here, you've got dual tables here for optimizing your productivity. In action here at Steelfab in Dubai 2020. Thank you very much, Lewis.
Okay, thank you.